Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I am making my first two charcuterie boards. I'm sure I'm pronouncing that incorrectly, but it's basically a meat, cheese, and a super fun board of all kinds of snacks and fruits. It's delicious. One of my friends actually taught me how to do this. I went to one of her workshops. She did an amazing job. So I'm going to show you guys how I did it. I will also link her Instagram down below so you guys can go ahead and follow her.
I picked up most of this from Aldi. I'll show you guys really quickly what I got. I don't have it organized. It's just kind of thrown in there. So starting over here, I have 2 bricks of cranberry white cheddar. I have salami, I have this Port Salut cheese, cracker cut cheese, goat cheese with honey. I have 2 bricks of medium cheddar sharp cheese. That didn't make sense. Medium cheddar cheese. I have another brick of Colby Jack cheese. I have these small dill pickles. I have some hummus. I also have dry salami. I have prosciutto, Italian dry salami. I have some cranberry and jalapeno dip spread, some different colored grapes, some more hummus. For the dried stuff, I have some dried banana chips, dried mango. I picked up some pistachios. I also have some wheat thins for like the hummus and the dips, and some pita chips. Also have some Spanish olives, strawberry jam that I actually think I'm going to put on top of the goat cheese, and then some more olives. And yeah, I picked most of this up at Aldi. Everything else was like Costco. Like this hummus and these were Costco. Everything else I think was from Aldi. Oh, this was from Sam's. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I don't have actual boards, so I'm just going to use 2 different cutting boards. So like I said, I'm taking one to my family and then one to Michael's family as appetizers. So yeah, we'll see. I've never made one before, but I'm kind of excited. So I'm using these 2 glasses for the dips and for the hummus and for the jalapeno cranberry dip. So I'm just going to kind of place them like right here, I think. And then I'm just going to do them as it, like, I'm going to make them exactly the same. Okay.
So while you're watching me make these boards, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about my friend. Her name is Sue. She has a business. It's called Gather, Grace, and Repeat. She does small boards like the one I'm making here, but she also does these huge boards that are so pretty, and she just adds so many things. And honestly, these boards are so much fun. I made 2. I made one for Michael's parents' Thanksgiving, and then I also made one to take over to my parents' house for Thanksgiving, and at both places these were such a hit. At the first place, like literally everybody just kind of sat standing around one of the boards, just kind of grabbing things here and there, because there's so much on these boards that it's like you can't grab it all at once. It's not like just one little appetizer. It's like a ton of different appetizers here, and it's so much fun to look at. Also, if you don't eat meat or dairy, you don't necessarily have to only make a board of meat and dairy. I actually have seen my friend make boards of just vegetables with like dips, and they look so pretty, so much fun. Anyways, I hope that you'll go and follow her on Instagram. She does such an amazing job. She is a mom. She's a mom of 3 little kids. I want to say her youngest is just a little bit older than Adam, and her oldest is probably about 4 years old. And so all her kids are really small, and she does this on the side, and she does such an amazing job. So go ahead and follow her on Instagram. Show her some support. Let her know that Blanca sent you over. I would really appreciate that. Anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and place some music, let you guys watch how I'm making these boards. I hope you guys enjoy it.
So here is the first board, and I think that looks pretty good. I didn't put the pickles or olives in, and I'm not really sure where to put them, so I think I might just leave it like this. Besides that, I used a little bit of everything. I mean, I have the mango, the bananas, pistachios, the cheeses, hummus, dip, all of the meats. I have the cheeses. So on this goat cheese, this is a honey goat cheese, and all I did was put a little bit of strawberry jam on top. And then the cranberry cheddar cheese, I just cut it and put the cheddar on top. And yeah, I think it looks really good. I only wish that I would have had some cheese knives, but I don't. So we're just going to use regular knives and that's going to be fine. But I think that looks so pretty. Anyways, I'm going to start working on the other board. I think that other board's going to be a little bit easier because I have a lot of the things already cut and done. And so I think that one's going to be a lot faster. But yeah, this is my first one. is my second one, and even though I added the same exact stuff, I feel like this one looks like way fuller and it looks prettier. So yeah, I'm super excited the way they turned out. I think they turned out really well.
In my hand, please.
Huh?
Another clip in my hand.
How about I give you a slice of cheese and then mommy's putting all of this stuff away?
But no, that's spicy.
No, this is not spicy. This is not spicy cheese. So I think, okay, so here is the second board. I even had to cut these in half, this one in half, because I just didn't have any more room. Okay, can you give me a second, please? Okay, give me a second. And here is the first board I made. I actually think I'm gonna add some more stuff to this just to make it look a little fuller too, but honestly, I am so proud of myself. These look so good. Sorry I look like this, but I took a shower. I'm letting my hair air dry. But go ahead and follow my friend at Gather, Grace, and Repeat. She is the one I got all my tips from, my inspiration from. She is amazing. She does such a good job on these boards, and she does ginormous 4 feet boards. Like, these are nothing to her. She does such a good job. She does workshops. She's in Southern California. So if you guys ever want to book her, call her. If not, just follow her on Instagram and show her some support because she does such a good job. She's a mom of 3 little kids. She does this on the side and she's awesome. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration on how to make one of these boards. And it's a lot of like creativity, a lot of imagination, and they're awesome. They're so much fun. And, no. So much fun that my 3-year-old is trying to eat them already. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I hope that you'll subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.